Out here we're at Sheridan Square and we're building duplexes and triplexes. We are using panelized walls that come directly from our warehouse, and so we have volunteers and staff who build the wall panels at our warehouse. They get shipped out here and we go from there.
Women Build Week is a great way to teach a lot of skills to women that don't think they could do this, and they tend to leave the day just super pumped and excited.
The partnership started about a year and a half or 2 years ago. Habitat for Humanity of Metro Denver started using Revit. We started conversations about how we can be more efficient in our construction. The panelization program really came about, and we started looking for software that might help us link the efficiencies we're getting in Revit to construction documents that could help us build panels. We found MWF, and so we just simply emailed them and asked them, hey, your program looks amazing. Is there any chance that we could do some kind of partnership? They happily said yes, and so they provided us with 2 licenses. I think about 6 months ago, they reached out trying to figure out how we can be involved again, and we decided to have them come out and build with us, and so we're happy to have them here at our Women Build Week, seeing how panelization has really come into effect for us.
We used to build all of our houses stick frame up. We'd make the panels, stack them. So didn't have any software, no way to really tell from the plans. You just needed knowledgeable superintendents and supervisors who knew how to read plans and figure out all their spacing. Having this software, we actually can send out from our design team straight to our warehouse, hand drawings off to volunteers who don't know how to read the plans. We have had a lot of inefficiencies, especially when we mirror units. With this, everything's labeled. We know which side of the duplex the panels are going on. We know exactly where they're going.
What MWF and Structsoft software has really helped us do is make the commitment to figuring out how to best standardize our building process. It's really forced us to have those conversations and that dialogue between our design staff, our shop staff, and our construction staff. That's really a good thing that the software's really kind of forced us to do, is to really have that dialogue and conversation.
When our panels come stacked in the correct order for building, when we can just pull them off, lay them right where they go, really quick and easy.
We could easily lose a day or 2 just having to rebuild walls. We don't have that issue anymore.
And that would be fantastic to continue the partnership so that the tools that we have now, we can continue to use at a higher level.
So we will definitely be using MWF in the future. It's a great program. There's a lot of efficiencies we can create through the software.